if you've been looking to build your own boat, and if you've been looking for an easy way to build your own boat, then let me share with you something that I know about building boats. Now, I haven't always had this experience building boats, but now I do know how to build boats because I have found the boat plans that I need to have built the own boat that I desire to build and wanted to build for a very long time. And so it's been a breeze now building my boat. And not only can I build my boat, which I have done, but you can also build your own dream boat with over 500 boat plans. Now that's a lot of boat plans. Now the plans are really excellent in detail with step-by-step instructions. And this has really saved me so much time building my boat. And I've been wanting to do this project for a very long time. Now I have spent weeks looking for stuff like this on the internet, magazines, just many different places, but have never come across anything, you know, this spectacular. And I do say spectacular, and that's really an understatement. And personally, to me, it's a joy to learn from a master boat builder like Martin Reed. Martin goes over everything from the wood selections to dimensions. And not only does he go over the wood selections and dimensions, but they are very easy to remember when you're building your boat. And these are great plans. I highly recommend Martin Reed's boat plans. You won't find anything out there, you know, any better, easier to read and easier to understand. And also the boat plans, they have great illustrations, easy to read photos. And this collection is actually filled with information from cover to cover. And you won't believe what you will get with his boat plans. And you will be amazed just as well as I have been amazed. And like I said, money and time are limited resources that we all have. Or should I say that we all really don't have a lot of. And Martin has convinced me that if I put my mind to it and if I want to do it, then I can do it and be successful building my boat. Now, even if you're just only been dreaming about building your wooden boat like I have, now your dreams can become a reality, and they didn't have to be a dream anymore. I know I have brought my dreams of building a wooden boat to reality, and you can too, and I highly recommend it.